What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Toki Tahmid. Today I'm going to show you how to make a origami laptop I just designed today. So here it is. I tried to make it like a real MacBook Pro or something. So anyways, all you need is an A4 size paper. See right here, A4 size paper, and first fold this part just a little bit, not that much, like this. Increase. It's a very quick tutorial. I hope you like making it. Here, like this. You see here? Like this. And then do the same thing here, here, and there. Almost done. Can you believe it? Straight. Like this. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Oops. My other paper MacBook is getting in the way. Like this. Like this cute one. And then do the same thing over here. This will be the last step. Actually not. This will be the second last step. This, fold it, crease, crease, crease. Fold it like this. Start creasing. Whoa. Sorry about that. So now, this is the last step, okay? So, now we need to just fold the paper in half. Like this. If you see this happens, just fix it with your index finger like this. See here? Just fix it. And align the paper. Then crease, crease, crease. Like this. And now you're basically done. And then you can draw the screen and draw the keyboard. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. This was a very small tutorial I made for you guys. And yeah. Please like this video. And subscribe and click the bell button right next to it, and you can also like this video and you can also share. So you can also comment if the comments are on. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you soon in another video. So bye.